So this pose is called Trapeze Camel. It's an amazing way to get that heart-opening experience that you do with traditional camel, but a little bit different because you're really being supported. You're lifting up, and it's a lot more in the upper chest area than it is in the back. So you know how with our traditional camel, we feel it a lot there. This one you don't really feel it there. So you're going to start out by just threading your arms through the trapeze and get the trapeze so that it's underneath. It's sort of inside your underarms or armpits. Now, a lot of people may not find this a good height, right? So it's obviously good for me, but if your knees are up there and you're feeling like you need a little bit like the earth to move up to you, just use blocks or pillows. Okay, once you're up here, all you do is lean back. Okay, again with this, you want to shuffle this so that it's sort of underneath the shoulder blades, yeah? So you can see that I've lifted up my heart and my chest. Then take your hands up above your head, yeah? So just normal hands, okay? And let the whole body weight hang backwards. And that is the most amazing opening for the chest, for the belly. It even pulls up through the whole hip area, so through the hip flexors. And if you wanted to, you could drop your hands back and just rest there. When you're ready to come out, lift your head, grab hold of the trapeze again, and just pull yourself through. So that is your Trapeze Camel. Amazing pose.